Ever struggled to turn flat sheet metal into complex 3D parts? Let us guide you through the process of creating sheet metal parts in SolidWorks. Start by sketching the base flange, the flat pattern of your part. This is the starting point for your sheet metal part. Think of it as the foundation we'll build everything else on. Now let's add some features. We're talking about edge flanges, bends, cuts. That gives your part its unique shape and functionality in 3D. As you add these features, make sure to use smart dimensions. These automatically update if you change the model, keeping everything accurate and saving you a lot of time down the line. Use holes, slots, and other features to create precise openings and ensure connections of your part with other components. Apply corner reliefs and bend allowances to ensure smooth, manufacturable bends in your design. This also ensures that your part fits together perfectly. Now use SolidWorks' Unfold feature to transform your 3D part back into its flat pattern. This helps you visualize exactly how to cut the sheet metal for manufacturing. Finally, use the Make Drawing from Part option in SolidWorks to drag your flat pattern into the drawing sheet to create its drawing for fabrication. And thus, you have a complete sheet metal part ready for fabrication. Need help with your sheet metal designs? Contact our team of CAD experts today.